think the major message would be to get ready. We're going to see an explosion over the next few years as we try and lift the productivity of our mining industry in Australia. We're going to see new technologies, we're going to see a refresh of technologies in existing mines, we're going to see challenges out there that we've never seen before in mining.
Okay, so I think over the next few years we're going to see a few significant milestones in technology. We've got the vendors like Caterpillar and Komatsu starting to produce their load and haul mine automation solutions. Caterpillar have extended that whole concept through acquisition of shovel companies and drill systems and things like that. But we'll also continue to see areas of mine automation happening throughout mines. So there are two approaches that are starting to solidify now in the landscape, and that is islands of automation, and some companies starting to push towards an end-to-end solution.
Yes, the voice of the future. I think it'll be in many ways similar to what we've seen in lots of other take-up technologies. It'll go slow, 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 and then it'll suddenly go fast, fast, fast. You'll have your early adopters, and then they will have the battle-scarred badges of honour that will show that finally the automation is a viable and productive and safe business model. And when that happens, then it will deploy much more quickly, so it'll be accelerated. Between now and then, there's a lot of learning to be undergone. You know, when you look back in hindsight, as we all do, you think, well, why couldn't I see that issue before? And we don't. We can't imagine all these things. And I think what will happen is, as we go, we'll learn. There'll be a few people out there championing the causes, and then you will see, and who knows the timing on that, but it's several years away. But then you will see a widespread take-up.
And then in the bringing together or the connectivity of different applications. So and where PitRAM I suppose fits in that is that it's a visual tool that allows you to see what's going on in a mine. So the more information that's able to be exchanged through the different systems to bring that into one centralised position allows an interface for the controllers and the people who are actually running the mine operations to see what needs to be done and when it needs to be done. So it's all about timeliness of information rather than having too much of information, and being able to use the information that's available now to act and respond to whatever needs.
At the moment, the skill level on mine sites is probably around year 10, fitter level. When they go automation, that's going to be graduate or postgraduate qualification level. And I don't see actually any reduction in the workforce happening, because automation is, by its nature, requires a lot of people to look after. The jobs are different, but they'll probably be the same number.